Hello my dear friends and family. We are seeing a lot of different way to make our mathematics so simple, isn't it? I think that you all may agree with my point, isn't it? Okay, so usually I will say, keep on saying, isn't it? The Vedic mathematics and logical mathematics, it's not anything like a black magic, it's not anything like a magical tricks. Okay, so mathematic tricks is not anything magical, it's which is used to think as on the other side. Okay, so what is the main aim in the mathematic tricks means we are used to solve the problem but on a different way. Okay, so this is the easiest way to solve the problem. Okay, so from my starting class from today, so we have seen a lot of mathematic tricks which is immensely support to solve very big problems. Okay, and also I've told why I have make more concentrate on the very basic mathematics like addition, subtractions and divisions and all. So this is a very base mathematics, even though we are grown up. So in my last video itself I have told you the very lifetime examples. Okay, so for example we are going for a shopping. Okay, so we don't need to take always a calculator, or don't we need any technical support to calculate a very simple product like a 3 to 4 products. Okay, so we are now addicted towards the mobile phones, isn't it? So for example, if somebody is asking what is answer for 23 plus 58, so suddenly we will take a mobile and open the calculator and we will make a calculations. To avoid this, it's not only avoid because we need a technical support. It's not like we are avoiding a technical support. This is to empower the human mind. Okay, so if you always keep on supporting the technical things, our brain will get upset. So without no working of our brain, then the brain will get very bored and tired, isn't it? Okay, so to make our brain always to get engaged, always our brain should be get busy on a good things. I'm not keep on thinking anything negatively, I'm not saying on that point. So our brain should be keep on a positive busy routines. Okay, so to make our human brain to get more power, so this is all to make our human brain to get power. Okay, so not only this mathematic tricks to help only to solve only problems, or not only the mathematic tricks helpful for only those people who attending the bank exam or a government any exams. You don't think on that way. So this is to giving an exercise to the brain. Okay, so once this is showing the another way of to solve the problems, because in today everybody have a problem, isn't it? Everybody have a problem. In that problem is few of them will getting succeed and few of them will get sucked to that problem and they cannot come out from the problem. But our mathematic tricks not only help you to solve your mathematic problems, this is will show you the another perception to your day-to-day life problems. Okay, it also showing in another way to solve your problems. Okay, so what I am coming to say means the mathematic tricks is not for any particular category of people or any particular for any category of students. This is for everybody. This is for everybody. When you are studying LKG, no problem. You are a grown up, no problem. You are finished a PG, or you are finished a doctorate, or you are a housewife, don't worry. Please listen this, because this is a reason. It shows the another perspective to solve the problem. It is showing in an easy way. Why can't you think on this way? So this is the mathematic tricks class is telling you to yourself is asking, why can't I think on this way? Oh, that is an easy way. Why can't I choose this easy way? Okay, So this is what a main usage of the mathematic tricks class. Okay, so on this good point, I'm just opening my class. Today we are going to see about a number splitting method. Okay, so we have seen a lot of tricks which is used in addition. Okay, isn't it? So even though it's addition, even though it's a subtraction, in last video itself we have seen about a Sooth method. You can solve a very huge addition within a few seconds. Okay, I think it will be very useful to you. So today we are going to see about a splitting method. So once you cannot make addition for very small digits, like for example 3429 and 8281. Okay, so if you cannot make it, you cannot apply any Sooth method, or you cannot apply suddenly, you cannot apply any method, means don't worry. This is what, by using the number splitting method, we can make addition very easily. You can split it. Okay, so if you are seeing the very if you take the sum, if you take if you take on view this, you will see only 4-digit addition. In up 4 digit, in down also 4 digits. So 4 digit, you will you will get, wow, what a 4 digits. So I want to do addition for 4 digit. Many, somebody, those who are felt, no, the maths is so tough. So for those persons, they feel very hugely they will think about it. Don't worry, just split it into 2 2 or 1 2. So as your need, okay, as your need, you can split it into the sums. For example, I am dividing into 2. Okay, so 10 11 1 5 7 10 11. So I am just splitted. Okay, I am just splitted. So what is the main usage of in a splitting method means, it avoid that thinking of it's a very huge problem. You can split it. Okay, if you keep on splitting, it will be easy. For example, just listen: 4308 296 7604 218. Okay, so if you think it is a very big problem, yes, it's a big problem. If you split it, it will be easy. You can split it into 3. If you split it into 3, then it will be easy to make a calculation. Okay, and also one more point I have to remind here, because I've told it already in my many videos, I have told it already, but here I want to remind. Listen, if it be like for example, if it be a 2 plus 2, the people, most of the people will don't worry about it. I am talking about only the weaker section of mathematics. Okay, so don't worry, they will put it. Okay, for example, 8 plus 2, yes, they definitely they come up with an answer. For example, just listen, if there is a 6 plus 8, if you take this number 6 plus 8, then automatically those who are weak in a mathematics, they leave their finger after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay, 14. So automatically they leave the finger, but don't need to leave the finger, because when you're a kid, it's not a big problem. When you're leaving the finger and counting it, it's not a big problem. When you're growing up, somebody will see that you're leaving the finger, it will be, no, it's more shame, isn't it? Okay, so for those weaker section of a mathematics, what I'm keep on saying means, take the large number. For example, in the 6 and 8, which is a large number? Yes, 8 is a large number. In the 8, there is a 6. Listen, in 8, for example, listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is a 8 number, from 1 to 8, isn't it? So this is a 8 number. In 8, there isn't a 6. Yes, there is a 6, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a 6 count is there, isn't it? Okay, then 6 plus 6, 12. The remaining, what is the 2 number having? Then 13, 14. You can make it very easily. So I have put a dash for like a kids to get a better understandment. Okay, so you don't think it why the ma'am is putting teaching like a kid. So for the weaker section, those who are very weak in mathematics, to get understand. If I said in a 8 there is in a 6 means they will get confused. Okay, those you are strong in mathematics, yes, of course you can understand. Those definitely, those there are a people who weak in a mathematics. If I ask there is a 6 in 8, they will get confused. What is a 6 in 8? So this is what I am saying. The 8, listen, this is a 8. In a 8 there is a 6 numbers. Yes, there is a 6 number is having, isn't it? So that is what I am saying. For example, just listen it. 9 plus 7. Okay. So this is what some difficulty when you are doing addition. So in this 9, for example, this is a 9. So in this 9 there is a 7. Yes, of course there is a 7. You want to take only the largest number. You want to take only the largest number, isn't it? Take only the large number. So 9. In this 9 there is a 7. Yes, there is a 7. This is a 9. So in this 9 there is a 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a 7 in the 9. Okay. So 7 plus 7 is, of course, you know, everybody will know about the two tables, isn't it? 7 plus 7, 14. So only two number is right. Then 15, 16. The answer is 16. Okay. So this is a very easy way. This is not an easy way. This is another view of point to make your mathematics sums to solve it very easily. Okay. So this is a very little tricks. What I am saying is a very little thing. Okay. So if you keep on thinking on another way to solve your problem, you will keep on getting a new ideas day to day. Okay. So this is the number splitting method, and also I have told it when it comes as a very large number, how to make your addition so simple. I have told it. Okay. So next we are going to see about a very interesting things in the mathematics.